We are going to show you the cheapest way to install LED lights in really any halogen car. We had a company that reached out to us and they sent us a few of their LED lights, and we're going to show how you can install them on pretty much any car. I have a Mini Cooper halogen light assembly here, and we'll show you how you can easily replace the light in here with an LED. And then we're going to take in a Nissan Sentra and we're going to upgrade that with the halogen lights also. And we're going to show you the difference between the normal halogen lights and the LED lights. If you hope you enjoy, please make sure that you like and subscribe, as it helps us out more than you can imagine. My name is Ethan and welcome to Car Creation. We included links down below for this product, and check them out because it's a huge difference. All right, so let's take a look at what's in the box. So these should just be two halogen to LED light upgrade bulbs here. Lid. Ooh, that's helpful. They give you some nice cotton gloves to make sure that you don't mess up your car when you're working. They give you some zap straps, instructions, and then here are the lights themselves. So obviously each light is going to be a little bit different for each car you have. So these ones are specifically for the Nissan Sentra, but they also have lights for Mini, Ford, BMW, Chevy, whatever you happen to own. They look pretty nice and they're blacked out. That should look really good. First of all, we're going to show you how to replace the lights in this mini halogen light assembly here. So it's super easy. You just screw the back off. Obviously this is going to be on your car. You're not going to be taking off the whole assembly to do it, but we just thought it'd be a little bit easier to show. All right, so now we can see the bulb in there. Basically, you just pull the connector off, and then there's a little wire cage in here that you push this wire down. In our case, it's to the right now. There we go. And then we can pull, twist, and pull the bulb right out. And there we go, the bulb is out. And then you just reverse that to get the new LED bulb in. All right, so we took the Nissan into the shop. I changed into some warmer clothes because it's getting freezing cold out here. And what we're gonna do now is, it's super easy. Pop the hood, and then what we're gonna do is replace the brights for this car. So some cars have headlights and brights bulbs. Sometimes cars just change how high the bulb is looking. For this car, we need both. But we're just going to replace the brights bulbs because the LEDs that we have don't fit the daylight running lights. And actually it's such a tiny space that we'd be pretty hard pressed to find some LEDs that would fit that. And you might dazzle drivers. So lots of reasons. So it's super easy to do the brights. We're just look down here. Here is where the brights bulb is. So all you're going to do is put your fingers down there, and there's these two tabs on either side of the light bulb that we're going to take out. But before we do that, it's a lot easier if you take the bulb out. So we're just going to twist anti-clockwise. There we go. Trying to make it so you can see it. It slowly comes out. Flip. We just pull that apart, and then you just carefully wiggle the old light out. There we go. Now if your light's still good, don't touch the bulbs, because if you touch the bulbs, they get finger grease on it, and next time they heat up, they will crack. So make sure you don't touch the bulbs. And here we get the new LED lights. And now if you notice here, they have a module on them. And that is basically to stop the car from thinking that faulty halogen on it, because these LEDs take less voltage, and the car will think that its headlight is burnt out because it's not taking enough voltage. So that's what this does here. And then if you notice very carefully, is that they're LEDs. So they have this heat dispensing system on it, as well as a little cooling fan in the back, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna get these connected in right here. Once again, super easy. Snap, there we go. So push it in and then turn clockwise and it's secured. Now the kit comes with some of these zap straps, and because of the longer cable, it's just good idea to zap strap the cable to something else so it doesn't bang around in your car.
You mean zip tie?
It's a Canadian phrase, I think, I guess.
Zap strap?
Now they're nice and secured in there. And now what we're going to do is take it out on the road and show you the difference between the halogen lights and the LED lights. So before the upgrade, here's what the halogens look like. And they're pretty dark with even the brights on. And plus it's kind of a orangish glow, and it's hard to see when there's animals or something on the road because they kind of blend in with the hue that's going on there. So we add the LED lights and boom, they look so much better. You can see way farther, the throw is better, and once again, all you have to do is just, if you see another car coming off, switch down to low beams and you're not dazzling other drivers. So once again, these upgrades can be for your halogen mini lights, or they can be for your halogen Listen, central lights that we just replaced here, or it could be for your Ford, for your Chevy, for your
Lamborghini.
Aston Martin. I don't know if they go that far, but really this brand has a ton of different selections there. So we'll leave a link down below, and you can go check them out and see if your car's on the list and get this upgrade. Well, that's been our video. We hope you enjoyed. It's quite the difference between LED and halogen, eh? And once you get the lights installed and make sure that they aren't dazzling any other drivers, I would highly recommend for any halogen car. If you haven't yet, please make sure that you like and subscribe. But most of all, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next one.